In this presentation, we will take a look at multiple choice questions related to financial statement analysis, going through those questions and then practicing test-taking skills with them. First question, calculation based on key relations of amounts on financial statement is either A, vertical analysis, B, horizontal analysis, C, financial analysis, D, ratio analysis, or E, risk analysis. Let's go through this again using the process of elimination. Calculation based on key relations of amounts on financial statement is either A, vertical analysis, that sounds familiar as one of our things that we do. B says for analysis of financial statements. B says horizontal analysis, also sounds familiar, so I'll keep that. C says financial analysis. Now again, that's a little too broad. That one's financial analysis would include vertical, horizontal, ratio possibly. So it doesn't seem that that's going to be one of our components or tools. That might be a broader term. So I'm going to cross that out. Next one says ratio analysis. That's one of our broad categories, vertical, horizontal, ratio. Keep that one for now. E says risk analysis. That might be one of the things we do, but it doesn't seem like one of our key broad terms. The other three are here. These are the three that we would consider as would be our three tools. So I'll bring it down to them. Let's go through this again. Calculation based on key relations of amounts on financial statements is vertical analysis, horizontal, or ratio analysis. Now the fact that we're just taking key relations as opposed to the entire financial statements, either comparing them with horizontal period over period or with relation to vertical analysis of a particular period, means that it doesn't seem that it's going to be vertical or horizontal, because that's going to take the whole financial statements. We're picking components of them for particular ratio analysis, and therefore final answer D, calculation based on key relations of amounts on financial statement is D, ratio analysis. Next question. Financial statement analysis reports do not have A, statement from an auditor, B, analysis overview, C, executive summary, D, qualitative and quantitative factors, or E, forecasts. Let's go through this again using the process of elimination. Financial statement analysis reports do not have either A, statement from an auditor. So, that's usually going to be the opinion, possibly what they're talking about, an opinion of the auditor, or the financial statements analysis, an audited financial statement analysis. So I'll keep that for now. B says analysis overview. And now you would think that if we're doing all these financial statement type of ratios, we would want an overview to kind of summarize it up. So I'll say now that seems like it should be there. Executive summary. So we'd say I don't know, maybe, it doesn't sound. I'll keep that for now. Qualitative and quantitative factors. So we might not exactly know what that. I'll keep that for now. And then forecasts. And again, what the ratio analysis probably is there to help us to forecast in the future. So you would think the report might have some forecasts. So I'll keep that for now. So we'll keep A, C, and D. Well, I'll cross that one out, and we'll keep A, C, and D. Let's go through it again. Financial statement analysis reports do not have either A, statement from an auditor, C, executive summary, D, qualitative and quantitative factors. Now, of those three, I would think that they might have, an executive summary, right? And we might have qualitative or quantitative. Quantitative meaning something that's not numeric in basis, might have some other type of term that would be explaining something that would not be in terms of numbers per se. What the thing that's different up here is this statement from an auditor. That seems to not be, amongst a category typically. And the thing is, that one would typically mean that we're having an audited report. So the point here is that the financial statement analysis may not necessarily be it's a auditor's report. The auditor's report could be reporting the fairness of the financial statement typically, and may use some analysis tools in order to do that. But the financial statement analysis report is usually taking those financial statements that possibly have been determined fair by an auditor, and now is using them to create some type of analysis, further analysis, typically more detail in terms of a ratio analysis and projections into the future and that kind of thing. So in other words, A is going to be our final answer. Financial statement analysis reports do not have a statement from an auditor.